Welcome to Crypto Kickstart. In today's video, we're diving deep into a comprehensive MEXC tutorial. If you're looking to enhance your trading experience, you've come to the right place. MEXC is a leading cryptocurrency exchange that offers a wide range of services for both novice and experienced traders. Whether you're interested in spot trading, futures, or DeFi, MEXC has something for everyone. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to efficiently navigate the platform and benefit from its features. Let's begin with account creation. First, visit the MEXC website and click on the Sign Up button. Input your details and don't forget to use our referral code 12K4M5 during registration. This code not only provides you with access to exclusive promotions, but also rewards you with additional perks on your trading journey. Once you've created your account, it's time to deposit funds. MEXC supports a variety of cryptocurrencies, making it easy for you to get started. Select your preferred crypto and follow the instructions to complete your deposit. Always double-check the wallet address before sending any funds to ensure they arrive safely. After funding your account, let's explore the trading interface. MEXC offers a user-friendly design, allowing you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies effortlessly. You can access various trading pairs, set limit or market orders, and even utilize advanced trading tools to enhance your strategy. Now, let's talk about security. MEXC prioritizes the safety of your assets. Be sure to enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of protection to your account. Staying secure is critical in the volatile world of cryptocurrency trading. Don't forget to check out MEXC's educational resources and community forums. They provide valuable insights and tips to help you make informed trading decisions. The more you engage with the community, the more knowledge you will gain. As you embark on your trading journey with MEXC, remember that using our referral code 12K4M5 will not only enhance your experience, but also unlock additional benefits that can boost your wallet. Thank you for watching our MEXC tutorial. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Crypto Kickstart for more insightful content. Happy trading and see you in the next video.